Okay, so if I want to load the data from one place to another place, okay, if I want to load the data from one place to another place, means like from on-premises to Snowflake or whatever it may be, what I want. Okay, so first of all, if this is my on-premises, this is my Snowflake, what should I do? So initially I have to load
Stage.
the data. Okay. Yes, stages I want to create. Okay. So for example, this is a table available in EMP table, and in my local system, I have a data. If I want to load the data from this, my local system to my Snowflake table means first I want to create one stage. Okay. Stage. So by using put command, I have to load the data from this stage to, I mean, from the local system to stage. Then what we can do, from stage 2, by using copy command, I can load this data. This is what the activity we have done in the previous session. Okay. So if I want to do this, what type of a stage it is? Internal stage or external stage? Guys, will you remember?
Yes, it's internal stage.
It's an internal stage. Okay, it is an internal stage. Okay. So once data comes to internal stage, you can load from data from internal stage to table. So here you need to create what? File format. What is a file format? Okay, file format is going to specify what type of a file. Okay, what type of a file it is. Okay, so anyway, I will load once again within the 2 minutes to revise, and we will continue from that part. Just give me. Okay, fine. So guys, let me open my Snowflake account. So in last session, I think I have explained you how to, this is Snowflake, and let me open the Snowflake account. Where is this Snowflake account? On December 16th, right? We have started a new batch. Hmm. Okay, this is my URL. Let me copy. Okay, just open this account. Okay, this is a username and password. Sign in. Okay, this is my Snowflake account, guys. Okay, so you have to go to home option. Okay, you can create a already what, a new worksheet. New worksheet means what? Where we write some code. If you simply go to data, okay, so already you have some, okay, or else do one thing, go to projects. So this is a worksheet in last session, which we have worked. Just click on this worksheet. Okay. Okay, guys, this is what we have done. See, initially I told you, right, what is a high level objects? Okay. So first we need to create the database. Inside the databases, what we have created, schema. Inside that schema, what we have created, table. Okay, table. See, first one is what? First one is what? Database. What is the name of the database we have created? SFDB. Inside that, what we have created? SF schema. Inside that schema, what we have created? EMP table. Okay. See guys, first I created the schema, sorry, database, next schema, next part is table. So I told you already one more thing, guys. If you create any database, by default, two more schemas will be created. What is the name of those schemas? One is information schema, another one is what? Public schema. In public schema, you can also do what? Here also, you can store that, I mean, you can create the tables and you can load the data into those tables, whatever you want to do. But for my, especially I have created one more schema. Okay. So once I created the table, now next part is what? I don't have a data in these tables. To load the data into these tables, I have a data in my local system. Okay. To load the data in my local system, I have a data. So here what I have done, I created the stage. Okay. Then this activity, Okay. So today what we discuss, okay guys, see in Snowflake, we can do all the activities in two ways, guys. Okay. Almost all the activities in two ways. Okay. Mostly some are supported by GUI options. Okay. GUI means graphical user interface. By using GUI options, we can do. And another one is by writing SQL. Okay. SQL. Now, what I have done, if you see here, I have created one table, right? After creating this table, I have loaded the data into the stage, and after from stage 2, I copied the data into where? Into the table by writing what? SQL commands, right? Same thing, I can do this activity by using what? GUI option. GUI option means what? Graphical user interface means I will go click somewhere buttons and I will select the options and I will load. Okay, let me check how I can do. So guys, before this, let me create one more table. Let me create one more table. See, same table I am going to create. I hope you guys are let me join. Let me take this. Guys, let's just tell me, are you guys able to follow or not what I'm telling? Just let me know. See, in last session, I have shown you how to load the data by using SQL script. Now I will show the same activity by using which option? GUI option. Means without writing any SQL command also we can do that. I am going to show you. Are you clear with what I am doing now? Okay.
Yes.
Okay. To load the data, see, let me create one more table. Okay. So I'm creating one table. Okay, see already there is a table called what? EMP table. This time what I will create? EMP1 with the name called what? EMP1. So where I am creating this table in SFDB, SF schema. In SFDB, SF schema already one table is available with the name called EMP, and I am creating one more table. One more table. Okay, that is called EMP1. Okay, now wait. Okay, just go to settings, turn on this. Okay, this will be helpful for you to auto select. Okay, see guys, what is the use of this now? Highlight statement automatically starting from here, it is ended, right? Now here it is ended. If I click here now, automatically from last semicolon to this semicolon, the statement will be highlighted. See, if I click here now, if I click here, this will get selected. No need to select like this. Okay, anyway, select and run. Okay, guys, table is created. Now one more table is available that is created. Now what I'll do, just see the step by steps, guys. Okay, so just check in SFDB. What is the schema? SF schema. Inside this SF schema, I have a tables. Just open the tables. See how many tables I have? EMP table and EMP1 table. In last session, I have loaded the data into EMP table. Now I want to load the data into where? EMP1. Okay, let's see guys. Last time I have loaded the data from EMP table to EMP table by you writing what? Some SQL commands. This time, let's check what we do. Okay, just to go here. Can you see these three dots, guys? Say yes or no.
Yeah, yes, bro.
Just click here. You have some option. Place the name in editor, copy the name, add columns in editor, view definition, and last option is what? Load data. I want to load the data into this table. Just click on that. Okay. See, this will be open. So drag and drop the upload files. Whatever the file I want to load, I can drag and drop, or else, okay, I can drag and drop, or else what? Add from the stage. If the data is already in the stage, I can add here. Okay. See, here you need to notice in interviews also, you have to tell one thing, guys. What is the limit? What is the limit of the file which I can load directly?
250 MB.
250 MB. More than this, I can't able to load, guys. This is the difference. Why we use GUI means CLI means in CLI, I can load the bulk files, bulk volume of files. Okay, but by using this GUI options means in this option, I can load only files which is size limit is what? Only 250 MB. Anyway, let me check. For example, let me browse. If I click this now, it is navigating toward my local system. I will go to downloads. In downloads, EMP data, right? EMP file. Okay. emp2.csv. Yeah, emp2.csv is there. Just select this, open. So I have selected what file, guys? emp2.csv. Next step, what should I do? Select or create the database and schema. See, I can select already existing database, or else what I can do, I will create a new database. As of now, what I want to load the data in SFDB, SF schema. Fine. Okay. Select or create a table. Means I have a two option. I can create a new table, or else what? I can load the data into which table? I can create a new table, guys, or else what is the option I have? Already in existing table, I can create. Can you see this option? This is where we have to load the data, right? Just select the EMP. Now come little bit down. Okay. That's all, guys. I mean, file selected, database and schema selected, and where it has to load selected. Next step, just click on the next. Okay. Now it is saying EMP file. We are loading SFTP, SF schema, EMP1. Now next steps are what? If it is it is showing some warnings. Is there any errors or not? Okay, that we will check it later. As of now, as of now, see here options. See, guys, I need to select the file format. While loading the data, right, I need to select the file format. Which file format it is? Which file format it is? CSV format, guys. CSV format. What type of a data I'm loading is CSV format. If it is JSON, I will go with JSON. Parquet, Avro, ORC. Okay. Or else, see, already I have created. If I have created any file format, I can use that. Or else, in that here also you can select. Okay. See, view options. If you click on the view options, right, what I want to do, some default options I can true. Header. Okay. I want to skip the first line. First line contains. Okay, skip first line. Can you see this option? Skip first line. You know, right, in last session, why we are going to skip the first line? Already names are available in the table. See? Okay, we will skip the first line. Okay, delimiter is what? For example, comma. If it is a comma, we will give a comma. If it is a tab, means we use the tab. Next, keep this as it is, that nothing will happen. Okay, that's all, guys. Just click on the load. See, data loaded successfully. What is the result? 15 rows were successfully inserted into the table. Okay, done. Now you check, is there any data in the EMP1 table or not? How I can check? How we can check? Select
Select a star from
EMP1. Data is loaded, right? Data is loaded, right? Simple, guys. We go to, okay, we create a table and we go to that table and we will check the option called what? Data loading. And we browse the data and where we want to load everything, we give the configuration and finally we give the file format. That's all. Now you can ask in last session, what I have done, I just go to CLI command line interface and I loaded I have put the data. After putting the data, I have loaded the data from stage to table. That is little bit hard, right? But it is very simple now, selecting options. But what is the problem here? What is the advantage with going with the CLI?
File size.
Yes, exactly. File size. See, guys, if it is only 250 MB means only, then more than 250 MB of file, it won't support in GUI option. Got it? More than 250 MB file will not be work out here. Okay. You can, if you want to load the data, guys, actually there are two type of data loadings. If I tell you technically, okay, limited data loading. Okay. And the next one is bulk data loading. Bulk data loading. Okay. And one more thing was continuous data loading. Okay. Continuous data loading. Okay. So limited data loading means, guys, we can go with, we can go with what? GUI options. Like I have shown you right just now. But in case of bulk data loading, what should I do? Okay. We have to use what?
Stages.
CLI.
Create stage.
CLI means command line interface. I shown you right. But in case of continuous data loading, there is a concept called Snowpipe, guys. Snowpipe. We create a Snowpipe. We will go with the Snowpipe. Just I have given in depth. I will explain you just to tell. See, extra day what I have done. Bulk data. Consider that if we have a bulk data, how we can go with, how we can do means by using this option. Okay, by going to CLI. Okay, limited data. If you have any limited data, you can go with this option. Now also, I'll in upcoming sessions I will tell you what is Snowpipe and everything. Okay. Okay, guys, there are so many options are available. There are so many things to discuss. Okay, in a stage. Okay, so coming to this option, guys, what? Bulk data loading. Bulk data loading means what? By using connecting with the CLI command line interface, what we can do? There are so many options. How to put the data, after put the data, how to check the data is available or not, and how we can do some transformations in the stage. There are so many things are available. Let's discuss that. Is it clear as of now?
Yes.
Okay, fine. Let me open the, okay, CLI, guys. Okay, let me open the CLI. See how to connect the CLI. Once again, please see, if you are in the initial days, you will get confused. So simply, guys, here user is there now. User is there, right? Just to give Snow SQL. Okay, Snow SQL hyphen A. In hyphen A, you have to give what? Account details. Now you can ask where I get the account details means this is your account details, guys. Can you see this? Or else let me go to, okay, from this dot onwards. Or else let me copy this. Okay, only this part, guys. Can you see this? KS RHYHD hyphen VW76726. Copy this part and then paste it here. See, guys, if you wanna paste right, just give a right click. It will paste. Okay, click enter. It is connecting. Okay, now it asking what? User. Who is the user? Sure. And it will ask the password. Just give the password. Yes, guys. See, now this is CLI command line interface is by okay, SnowSQL is connected with my Snowflake account. Okay. Okay, fine. Let me show you some more options, guys. Once again, let me do that activity, loading data from by using CLI to Snowflake. In that, let me discuss the some more options. Okay. For example, consider this. Consider this. Okay. Let me truncate this table, guys. You know, right? What is a truncate? What is a truncate? Now I want
Duplicating the value.
no, duplicating the value, not duplicating. I want to truncate the table means, see, there is a EMP table, delete all the data means EMP table is there. In this EMP1 table, data is available now. See, data is available, right? You have seen just now. Data is available now. I want to keep this table, but I want to remove all the data. I want to keep this table, but I want to remove all the data. Then what is the option? Truncate option is there. Okay. See, truncate table, truncate table. Which table? EMP1 table. Okay. Just select this and run. Okay. Statement executed successfully. Now check, is there any data or not? Select star from EMP1. Okay. Now check this, guys. Is there any data in this table?
No.
Okay. What happened? Truncate. If we do truncate now, all the data is going to remove, but table will stay. Got it? Data will be removed. Okay. Now again, I have what? One table. What is the name of that table? EMP11 table is available. EMP11 table, EMP1 table is available. I want to load the data from my on-premises to Snowflake. Now, please, once again, please revise how we can do this activity. Already I connected to Snowflake. So, here CLI. Okay. So I have a data in my local system, same once. Okay, let's see, guys. Now you just guide me how we can do. Where I want to load the data. First of all, I connected with this Snowflake. Shahrukh is the user. Compute warehouse is using. Means some engine is working here. Compute warehouse by default. Is it any database selected? Is it any schema selected? No, right? If I want to work, if I want to go to this schema, guys, which schema? I want to load the data into where? In SF schema, sorry, SFDB, SF schema. In tables, I want to load the data into EMP1 table. So if I want to go there, how should I go? Use which database? Use database
SFDB.
SFDB. And also one more thing, what? Use
Schema.
schema, SF schema. See, guys, use database SFDB, use schema SF schema. Now you can see the differences. Here, no database is selected, but here, database SFDB schema is what? SF schema is selected. Now, in this, I want to check any stages are there or not. Means here already any stages are there. If I want to do this activity, what should I do initially? I have to create the stage, right? Okay. Now I want to check already is there any stages or not. How I can check? In SFDB, SF schema, is there any already stages are available or not? How I can check?
List.
No. List is to check is there data in that stage or not. Simply show stages. Show stages. See, guys, show stages. So show stages means what it will do? It will check whether SFDB in SF schema is there any stage or not. What is the output I got? What is output? One row means one stage is available. What is the name of that stage? My stage. If you remember in last session, we have created one stage, right, guys? You remember? We created one stage called what? My stage. Okay, in where? In SFDB, SF schema. Already one stage is available. Okay, but I don't want to use this stage. Let it be keep somewhere. Now I want to create another stage. How I can create? How I can create? If I want to create any other stage, how I can create? What is the syntax to create the stage?
Create stage name.
Create stage. What is the stage name? Now, can I give SF stage? Some new name, guys. SF stage. Snowflake stage, or else EMP stage. Just give any some name, okay? SF means Snowflake stage. SF stage. Okay, run this. See guys, stage is created. Okay, stage is created. Now, if I want to check the data, is there any data? Means I created the stage. Now I want to do what? I want to check whether any data is available or not in this stage. How I can do?
Show stages.
No, show stages will do what? Is there any stages in this folder? It will show. If I want to check whether the data is available or not in this stage, how I can check?
List.
Yes,
Select
yes.
star.
List at the rate. What is the stage name?
SF stage.
SF stage. See, is there any data? 0 rows. It is producing what? 0 rows. Means there is no any data. I want to check already one more stage is available now. Is there data or not? How I can do? Same list at the rate. Which stage? My stage. See guys. If we have a data in the stage, it will show what is the data. In my stage, there is a data called emp4.csv. In last session, we have loaded. If you don't have a data, means it will show the 0 rows. There is no any data. Okay. Now I want to load the data into this stage. Which stage? SF stage. Okay. I want to load the data into SF stage. So how I can load, guys? If I want to load the data into the stage, what is the command? What is the command?
Put
Put.
command.
Put command.
Command.
Put command. Okay. By using put command, we can load the data. Okay. So let's check, guys, how I can do that. Okay. See, this is my local file. This is my local file. I'll go to downloads. Just take any of the file. Search with EMP data. Okay. Just click on that. Here, if you go to home option, there will be an option called what? Copy path. Okay. You can copy this. Okay. Copying path having multiple ways. Whatever you are convenient, you can do. Now, what is a command? Put file. Okay. Put file colon // just paste it by giving right click. Just remove this dual quotes, double quotes. Okay. Okay. Now what is missing here? What is missing here?
Stage.
I need to mention the stage. Which stage I want to load this data? In
SF
which
stage.
stage? Yes. At the rate SF stage. Simple, guys. It's like an English statement. See, I want to put which file, this file, into where? Into this stage. That's all. You should not see like it's a complete different thing. Just I want to put so and so file into this stage. That's all. Loaded or not? It is loaded. This emp4.csv was in a source. When it is loaded into target means what? In the stage, what is the name of that file? emp4.csv.gz means gunzip. It is compressed, guys. Compressed. Okay. Now, if I want to check whether is the file is available or not in the SF stage, how I can check? How I can check?
List.
Yes. List at the rate
At
stage
the
name
SF stage.
SF stage. See guys, in SF stage, there is a file called emp4.csv.gunzip file is available. Okay.